pick up some of my clear powders. You don't necessities have to have a lot. I just want some. So then I can kind of lay my flowers on. Why the brush? Make sure your brush is completely. And then you can pick up your flowers right there. And last night, if you get opportunity to watch Sarah, one of our teammate, Sarah's Nail by Sarah Detroit, if you are not sure about her account's Instagram handle, or I think on Facebook is Nail by Sarah. Check her out. Last night she did so stunning design, whatever it is. It's Gucci design with encapsulating, and also she did ombre, and she put a really freaking cute the bows on, and it's so stunning. I watched all entire live video, and it's so inspirations by Sarah. So, and also today I watched a whole entire Vicky tutorial, and Brad, there was so amazing with so many different ideas they can come up with. So if you have, you know, haven't get chance to follow some of them, so don't hesitate to like get connected to them, so then you can all be connected together, and they will sharing a lot of cool stunning design. I am going to using my collection blast of colors. You're going a long way with this. It's freaking stunning. But I'm gonna get one of that pink colors, like pink purple right here, and I'm gonna pick up some of my clear and kind of give it a little bit where does it come from, and put a little bit clear, so then that's why I can get the little grip from that. So then I can pick up my glitter. So I just want a little bit. So this one is stunning. You can do it as a glitter, or you can do it as mix it on your liquid and powder, however you would like it. I do both of ways, so whatever works for you. It's stunning. Great. Sunflower. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. We're so busy as usual. And then now I'm gonna just cap it really thin coat, completely over. Oh, it's so stunning. How everyone doing today? It's a great idea for spring coming. Who knows how is your prom season at your local area? It might be coming soon, right? Great. So now I am going to using a number 29, 34B. Oh, no, hold on. Can you read that again? 29 something? I'm sorry. I don't want to. 29B. So like it's a little bit shimmery pink. I really like it. Sarah will ask me about the numbers of the colors. So I'm going to pick, clean my brush, dip into the monomers, and pick up my smaller beads. Hey, Jessica. Hey, Vicky. Hey, love. How are you? We're all busy in sharing all different ideas. Vicky is one of my really awesome besties. She's considered as one of my mentors as well. Without her, I wouldn't be here. So thank you, Vicky, for always being on my side, supporting me. Really, really amazing. More than I can say. So this, I picked one bead first. This is for all beginners who are afraid of to do ombre, or who are afraid of to get the blending fading look. So I will pick one bead first, and then you blend it down first, and then you will pick the second bead. Now you're gonna perfect your cuticles area, and then that way you don't have to worry about the fading of your ombre, because sometimes it's hard for you to start playing with the ombre. Then you have to control, like, to make it perfect cuticles area. in the meantime, you have to make a perfect like ombre fading. So it can be overwhelming and can be like, but clients love the ombre look right now, and they're so demanding, and mostly like I have to say, you know, 6, 7 out of 10, they come into the salon, they want any sort of ombre. So this is ombre. I got to know a lot of different salon. Some of the salon charge like extra for the service of ombre. If you want more, you can add it more. From between $15-20 per set versus $5 per nails. Our salon's service fee is $15 when you're doing all 10 nails, but if you do one nails ombre, it's $5. So it's really depend, and that is just solid ombre. It's not including encapsulating or anything else. So just for your information. But if you are at your salons and different location, you have a different price. Then it probably might be vary. So I am going to using pick up my clear. If you're happy with this, I using my I'm picking up some clear beads, which is like the beads, smaller beads, and I'm just cut right between the pink and the clear ombre. So that's why when I shape them and buff them, they would not looks like a two line like pink or clear. So great. So I am not gonna just mess up with that. It looks so great. I'll let it dry. Looks so freaking stunning. I don't know how your end, but my end is really cool though. Do you sell that color pink? Lynette, I don't. But if you are in a local distributor who's carrying chisel, you can't. If you are not sure, and if you can't find it over in your local area, you can always DM us and we can send you the referral from some of the distributors that we know they carry chisel for you. This color is a bomb. I love it, and a lot of my clients love it, and it's perfect for spring. It's so soft. It's go with every skin tones, and so that is one thing I like about it. Somehow I get a little foil in there. So that's now, let it sit for a little bit and let it set, and then let's move on to a different look of the nails. I'm gonna want to show you something is really cool and quick too, just for your information, okay? And this one, I would want to get the silver one. I want a silver. It's okay. Let me see. Let me do one of this in. Let me do one of this. I really want to do one of this. I always wanted to doing it. This one encapsulate this green, kind of a mermaid's green with pink. With this pink, I'm showing with this pink. And all of this really techniques we work together in a class and mastery class. And at the end of this month, I am so freaking excited. Pick my just a little bit clear. I don't want to pick too much clear as it's gonna make it too thick. And basically this one, you don't have to sculpting it, just like it looks like I am doing a techniques of like a painting or gel polish or nail polish. It sounds funny to all of you, but I do not want them to be too thick, as I just need a really thin base so then I can pick up my glitter. Oh my goodness. I'm so obsessed today. I got to do quite a few set of crystals, so this is really awesome, fun to doing it with. Ooh, so beautiful. I don't know, I just get so obsessed with the really sparkly glitter, and then you can just dab it in. I like it like this either way, okay? You can mix it with clear powder, or you can mix it right in a similar colors, a custom mix and custom set for your clients. However, I love to place them nice like this because you know what? Because I can able to control them better. I can lay them flat. So when it flat, it get the most sparkle and reflections. But everybody have a different, you know, way to do ombre encapsulate. So you're gonna find the way you like the most, and you stay with that. Sometimes I do all different way. I do with the clear, I do with mix it with the colors, however you would like. Okay, just some of my ideas that I can think of. I can do whole nails. It looks stunning. So after I, just dab all that glitters on, I'm gonna pick up my clear beads, just thin one, because you don't want to be too thick. Just want it thin to cap this. Sometimes my clients say, Nancy, don't put cap on. It just change the look. It might though, I don't know. But I don't think so. It just look like dull like this for just the moments when we capped it. But when we put the top coat on, it looks so nice and shiny again. But then the client said, Nancy, don't put it on, but then it's gonna come off if you don't coat it. So we have to cap it, okay? All right. So let it set. The reason is I like to do a clear first. Anybody have a different way. Some just put the clear pink on it, but some not. So I like to put the clears on it. So when I blend my pinks, it looks nice and like a smooth, slicky. So I'm gonna pick the smaller beads of the pink powders and place them right in where all the glitter finish, and lay my brush flat. And blend it out. This is a perfect, I always like to share this way for beginners. This, you will never go wrong with this. Deep in the monomers and pick up the second beads. And this bead, you're gonna go closer to the cuticles, and then you're gonna blend it. You're doing it really close to the cuticles. That looks good. Pick it one more. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. Just blend it right here. So do not afraid of, so then here's for all the beginner. It's a great when you control the products. And when you see somewhere that you need to to add it on, do not afraid of to do that. And take your time and practice. Do not get frustrated. It's like, why it's not perfect yet. Me, myself, I practice a lot. I really enjoying it, passionate about it. And I'm just take it easy and practice that. It feels like I can do a unicorn crystal on this one, but we did it last. Oh, hey, we can do the flower on this. Yeah, do you want to see the flowers on this ombre, or you want crystal placement? And now, so I am finished with that. I'm happy with the ombre looks. I'm gonna using the smaller beads of clear. I'm gonna cap it right here to where between the pink and my encapsulating. So the pink is gonna stay nice. Always guide your powder toward the center so they stay nice and slender and great. So I'm not gonna mess up with that. I'm gonna let it set